Good day, them bosses and my Jamb 2026. My name is Joshua. This is a normal post channel. It depends on the platform you are watching me from, whether TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. So today we'll be doing something so quick. As you all know, registration for Jamb 2026 has commenced, and the question in the minds of Jambites right now is, how do I ace my exam, my Jamb this year? We have a plan though worked out to help you achieve that. But before I go into that in detail, the topic for this video, the video will be very short, so that I can also give you an information at the end of the video. So this video will focus on how to get the official Jamb syllabus, for the year 2026. So I'll guide you on the steps on how to get the official syllabus. So follow me on the screen as I do that. Sorry, I'm unable to show my face. I'm recording this video at night, and the light is not so bright, so I cannot just show my face. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser. Go to any browser you're using and tap. You have to type Jamb syllabus 2026. You see it there? When you tap it, now when you search it like this, there are going to be thousands of sites that will come up for your search request. Now I will tell you how to identify the authentic site. This is my school authentic, so your main focus should be the Jamb website, and you can see this is Jamb bypass, and that is the e-syllabus. This is what we are looking for. So you click on, sometimes Jamb, the ranking might be different, so the Jamb site might not be the first to come, so you just have to check and be sure it's originally from Jamb. So now coming here now, you will see that we have sections. So now if you are looking for the biology syllabus, you go for biology, you go for view details. Although I think there is network, so load it again, and you see this is the syllabus for biology. This was for biology, so you can head on and download it. You can see detailed syllabus. This one is variety of organisms, and you will see the detailed syllabus like that. So you can just proceed and download it as PDF. And for information, this thing is very bulky, so it takes someone that, although I'll come to that. So you can just go head on and download it. Then you can see it's downloaded already. Then you can open it. It's a PDF file, so you can just open it when you are ready and you take a glance through. So you can see this chemistry also. So your courses, all your subjects, are here. You need to, if it is, you can just any subject at all. This syllabus covers all subjects, so you have to just know your subject combination. If you have not registered Jamb yet, there's no way you know your subject combination. But if you've registered, I think you should know your subject combination by now. If you don't know what is even subject combination, that is why you need to be in my Jamb mentorship group. It is free. We are not charging anything for the tutorials we are going to do for you. It will cover this Jamb syllabus, and it will be handled by professionals. You are not paying anything. You are not paying them for anything. Nobody is going to ask you for money. So I will drop a flyer here now, and there will be a link in my description. That is if you are watching on YouTube. Then for TikTok, the link should be on my bio and in the comment section. For Facebook, the link should be attached to it somewhere or in the comment section. So just click the link and join the WhatsApp group, or you can take my number from the flyer that is being displayed on the screen. Then we take it off from there. It is a promise. It doesn't have any cheats. Jamb doesn't have any cheats. It doesn't have any barcode. It doesn't have any sorting. It doesn't have any score boost. At the end of the day, last Jamb session, previous Jamb sessions, I do get students messages after Jamb asking for help, that they are willing to pay to boost their Jamb score. It doesn't work like that. That is medicine after death. Now that you have the time, you have everything in your power. Now you have everything working for you to avoid failure, so you do it now, and we are here to help you. So you message us as soon as possible so that you get enrolled in the tutorials and mentorship. Like I said, it's free. If anybody asks you for money, you can still message. That is my direct number. So you send a message to me, report the person to me, and it will be taken care of appropriately. So thank you. And please, since you are just starting your Jamb journey, this is going to be a long one, and you are definitely going to need us. So giving us a follow, giving us a like, and turning the notification icon so that whenever we drop a video, you can get notified. It's going to definitely do us good and do you good too. God bless you.